Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber News. Today's hot news. A cyber criminal from Pune was arrested for duping people in the name of packers and movers services. A case of cheating more than 1,000 people across the country in the name of packing and transportation services has come to light. The 10th pass accused had recently cheated a software engineer of 7,12,000 rupees. South District Deputy Commissioner of Police Chandan Chaudhary said that the Cyber Police Station in charge Arun Kumar Verma received the complaint through the portal. The complaint read that software engineer Jitendra, who works in a MNC in Bangalore, planned to ship some goods to Delhi. For this reason, he started searching online for packers and movers services. He got a call from Gati Packers and Movers, and the engineer booked a Renault Kwid car and some household items for transportation. 2,000 rupees were paid in advance, and it was decided to pay rupees 13,000 after delivery of the shipment. Later, the accused made a WhatsApp call and asked to transfer rupees 7.12 lakhs in various installments in the name of state border custom duty, GST fee, insurance fees, state RTO clearance, etc. Based on the online complaint received, the team under the supervision of Sub-Inspector of Police Mr. Sanjay Singh started this investigation. Technical analysis of call details, records, and money trail revealed that the accused was operating from an office in Hyderabad residing in Pune. The team arrested the accused Lalit Sharma from Pune, who was living in a rented flat of a posh colony. It was also found that the accused was using multiple mobile numbers, which was taken by using fake IDs.